Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and delete a game from the Xbox app on your phone, and this is really easy to do. So if you don't have this application, go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and get Xbox. And then you want to go ahead and connect the same wireless network as your Xbox. So just scroll down from the top and hold down here and make sure you're just connected so you can set up the console a little bit easier. But there should be a code that pops up on the screen to connect them both. So once we have that connected, our Xbox is connected, we want to go to the three little lines down here and then locate console. So you're going to see our captures, our video recordings, our games. So if we go to games and we select a game, we can download it to our console. So this one I just downloaded. So it says launch on console now. But we can go to consoles now and then select our Xbox and go to manage console and games. And under here, we can see our games. So we can find a game to delete. So there's multiverses. I don't think this game is out yet. So select the three little dots and then go to uninstall game, uninstall. And it's going to delete the game off our Xbox. So if we're trying to download a different game, well, this will clear up some storage space. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix